Everyone, today I am going to tell you how can you draw polygons in Scratch. Before draw polygon in Scratch, I want to explain what is polygon. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes having at least three lines. They are made of straight lines and the shape is closed. All the lines are connected to each other, like triangles, hexagon, pentagons are some examples of polygons. The name itself tells you how many sides the shape has. First, we create a square shape or square. For it, we will go in, click on events. When green flag clicked, drag it, and next command is our pen command, and we will take pen down command and click on control. Here is option of repeat. Square has 4 sides, so we will write here, double click here and backspace, type 4. We will type 4 because square has 4 sides. And go to motion block, drag, move, type here 100 steps. You can increase and decrease the size of or steps. Next is turn. Here you type 90 degree because a square is right angle and each. Our next step is go to move on control block and drag weight option, double click here and type 0.5. Now we will execute our program. For running this program, first we click on blue box which is situated on left side of your corner. Double click on it and click on green flag. Now square has been created. Click on red button for stop the program and move back to position. Like this, you can make another shapes or polygons in Scratch. Go to file option, take a new. If you want to save, you click on save. If you don't want to, you have to click on don't save. Next is I will draw pentagon. For it, click on events when green flag clicked and again go to pen down command and repeat. Pentagon has 5 sides, so we will take in events, control and repeat command. Pentagon has 5 equal sides, 5 sides, so we will type here 5 and go to again looks motion, move 100 steps, double click here, backspace, type 100 and weight 0.5, drag it here 0.5 and next is turn. Go to motion and turn Here you will use operators block for the division like this. 360, type here 360 because direction of the scratch is 360 degrees. This direction, this is 360 degree, and it's divided by 5 because pentagon has 5 sides. We will divide it by 5. Now we can execute the program. For execution, you can see here, come back to screen. Like this you can make another shapes of polygons like hexagon, circle, semicircle, rectangle, etc.